Hi everybody, it's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne, and today I have two quick and easy projects. The first one is using $3 store items. This little burner from the Dollar Tree, some of the vase fillers from the Dollar Tree, and this cute little Plastercraft Easter bunny, and some paint. And my second project, all we're going to need is twine and these napkin holders from Target Dollar Spot. So let's jump right in. Okay, this is plain white and I'm going to keep it just as is. It's perfect. But with the rabbit, it's a little too white for me. So what I'm going to do is paint the rabbit. This acrylic paint in Satin Sherbet from Target. So I'm just going to give this a quick coat of paint. It's a cute pinkish, peachish color. And for these vase fillers, they're too dark for me. I wanted to try to lighten them up. So I'm just taking some of the Decor Art acrylic white paint that I bought at Michael's. And I'm going to just paint them with a dry brush just to lighten them up. I'm just putting a little bit of paint all around it just to lighten it. Okay, so I'm just going to set these. These dry really quickly because there's hardly any paint on them. And I'm going to just set these on the top. And here like that, just for decoration. And I just think that's so cute to go on a shelf. So it was quick and easy and it would look adorable on my shelf. So that was my first one. Very simple. So for my next DIY, I am using these napkin holders that I purchased at Target. And you get 6 of them for $3. And these are adorable on their own. You really don't have to do anything with them. But for me, I do like that more natural look. So what I decided I was going to do is I was going to wrap these with the twine. So simply, I'm going to just add some hot glue to the back of the bunny and wrap it. So let's get started. So for the next DIY, I'm using these napkin holders from Target Dollar Spot. I got 6 of them for $3. So what I decided, originally I was wanted to do the whole thing in twine, but what I decided to do is I'm going to paint the bunny ears white and then use twine on the rest of it. So I'm just going to do a quick coat of white paint on the ears and then I will start wrapping it in twine. So let's get started. So just using that acrylic paint that I got at Michael's and just putting on a coat. I decided maybe a little color, a little white would be nice instead of having it all in the twine. So we will see how that comes out. So that was nice and quick. Just gave that a coat of paint. I'm going to put it off to the side to dry. Okay, so I gave the bunny ears 2 coats of the white acrylic paint, and now I am going to add the twine. So I cut off a piece of twine from the roll because it makes it much easier to twist around. I'm just going to add a dab of hot glue. Place my twine on there. And start wrapping around. So I'm just wrapping it around and pulling it tight and close. And I will continue to do that around the entire circle. Put a dot of glue on the bottom and close cut this off. Okay. Okay, and now I am just going to fill in this one spot in between the ears. So I'm going to put some glue on the bottom right there. Start off a new chain. Okay, and then just put some glue on the bottom here to finish it. And that's what it looks like. So I'm glad I decided not to twine up the ears. I think they look really cute with just white. So it gives it a little bit of color and the natural twine. So here's the little bunny in its home. I'm just going to put him on a shelf, and adorable. Just a little pop of color. And over here is the napkin ring in the napkin. I have it in there. And it's adorable, and I can't wait to use him for my Easter dinner. Made 2, only 4 more to go. Something that I would do while I'm sitting down watching TV and work on that, because it does take a little bit of time, but the end results are adorable. So if you enjoyed these DIYs, please give them a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for more quick, easy DIYs. Thank you. Bye.